Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm going to show you guys a really quick video today. This is a little pepper plant. It was about, I don't know, maybe 3 inches tall or something at the end of the summer. It hadn't really grown much. I had never planted it out. I didn't get around to it. I didn't, even have much space to plant it out, and things got crazy. And I just felt bad for, for the poor little guy. I didn't want to leave him out and let him, leave him to his fate in the cold, hard winter. So I brought it inside. I've had it in a windowsill that's a little bit kind of tough to get to, so I just haven't been watering it too much, and it's definitely seen some better days. So you can see the roots are kind of exposed in there. I've got all this clover in here I got to rip out, and kitted some fresh soil and stuff. But it has just put out so many peppers. I've eaten quite a few of these throughout kind of the winter. And you can even see some that I never bothered to pick. They're really dried out here on the back. What I'm going to do now is, because it still kind of looks alive, but it's looking kind of yellowed and, having some difficulties here. And I also think it's because it's produced so much fruit that I haven't taken down that it's kind of in this like, okay, I've done my life, like I just want to die phase. I'm not sure if it actually will or not, but we'll see. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to chop off all the peppers. So I'll harvest these, I'll let them dry, I'm going to grind those down and make chili powder. If anybody hasn't seen the other video, I've just made chili powder for the first time recently. Came out great, so these should be nice. And we're going to take this outside and give it a new home in a little bit of a bigger pot with some fresh soil. And we'll see if we can get it to revive. I'm going to probably just put it out under the little, cold frame. It's been getting really nice out recently, so we'll see how it does. Stick with me. So not a bad little harvest from such a little plant that I wasn't really expecting much from anyway. And like I say, I've got a bunch earlier as well. So yeah, let's get it outside and pot it into a new pot. So there we go. Got it planted in the slightly bigger pot. Really fresh, nice mulch, nice soil and some mulch at the top. Just watered it. I left a couple of the green peppers on here. There's a nice one here you can see right here. And there's another couple somewhere else. I can't remember where they all are. But anyway, I don't see it right now. But we'll see what happens. I think it's going to like being out here. There's a lot more sun. And I think taking down the peppers, I should have done that a while ago, because I'm pretty sure that's not good for plants to have that much fruit kind of on it. Especially ones that have gotten dried out already. It probably signals to the plant that, hey, I'm done, like my life cycle's over. This leaf is dry, I'm gonna pull that off. But anyway, yeah, so hopefully this little guy will come back and make some more peppers. We'll see. So I'll let you guys know in a future video if you want to see it, or if you're interested what happens with the rest of our seedlings, let me know. And make sure to subscribe, I guess, and see the future videos. Our sunflowers are growing nicely here, and got a bunch of nice tomato plants in the other bed there. Let me show you what they look like. Here's our tomato plants. These are looking pretty nice. A couple of them are looking good. I might flip this box over at some point because it looks like some of them are kind of reaching that way. These are looking really good. Got a bunch in there. There. Everything's looking pretty good. The marigolds are growing really nicely back here. You can see some of them are already putting out the next set of leaves. So everything's doing pretty well. Really happy. So that's it for today. Keeping it pretty short. Hope everybody's good. Talk to you soon. Bye.